Hello everyone, this is Kane. I wanted to show off the new character creator. Once you import the package, there will be a menu item at the top called Enhance Tools. Just choose Character Creator. I already have it open here. Just dock it to the window. And now you need to select if you want to do the male or female. Just choose the prefab that comes included. And hit Load Character. And then choose the correct gender. Some of the options are different based on if it's male or female. There'll be separate options there for the orc whenever it's ready for Unity. And then now you just select the material. So for the body, just search body, choose the body for the male. Same way with head. Same way with eye, just search eye. And these are all the default materials that come with the package. Nothing's been renamed or anything. And then cloth for the undergarments. And you can see it adds those to the character. Now for customizations, all you do is drag in the prefab for the different slots. So beard. Let's choose eyebrows, hair. Great. See, it adds those. For outfits, it's the same thing. So let's choose something from the additional pack for the helmets. Let's choose cleric shoulders. Let's pick necromancer gloves, archer boots, ranger pants. Let's grab a belt. Cleric. There'll be additional folders here for each of the outfits. These are just the ones that have been completed so far. Sorry, put the belt in the correct spot. For the peasants, for the chests, we'll just grab one of the base ones. Great. You can see it adds everything to the characters, maps the right skin tone to the pieces. And then you can just change it during runtime or during the testing here too. So if you want to just change it to the ranger, click, it changes, it adds the pieces, so forth. So you can change things in real time. For the back items, you can add a cape, a quiver, or if you have the backpack package. We'll just show you the difference here. So let's choose a cape. It adds the cape, as you can see in the back there. You can also add a quiver. It adds a quiver. I do recommend only one or the other because the cape clips through the quiver during the run animations. I don't have the backpack's currently set up, but you get the point. As far as weapons, so it's currently set up for main hand and offhand if you want to dual wield. So let me show you that. So let's just say axe, sword. So there's one in each hand. They're mapped to the correct reap bones. If you want to use a shield, what it does is it overwrites the offhand, so it's mapped properly on the right side. And then if you want to use a bow, the bow overwrites dual wield, since you can't dual wield bows. And it also puts it in the offhand because that's how their animations are set up. The bow is in the left hand and the string is in the right hand. But the bow overwrites the dual wield, the shield overwrites the bow. So like if I put the shield back on, you don't see the weapon in the main hand. If you take the bow out, it works fine. And then there's also options here to disable, as you can see, the hair is sticking through the helmet, so you can just come in here and disable the hair. Real simple to turn features on and off. Sometimes you'll have clipping through the arms, you just have to disable bracers. Create character. If you look in the hierarchy, they're actually organized under a folder called add-ons. So that's all the pieces. There's logic in place to map the colors of the skin tone to the right pieces. Disable the right items, but you have the options here to turn things on and off. Real simple, Real quick and easy to use. Way easier than the avatar system. The only script that are actually on the prefab is the equipment one that will map it to the root bone of the player so it stays animated. So I'll add an animation here just so you can see. Hit play. You can see that they're all rigged together. Real simple stuff. Same applies to female. I'll just add something quick here. Well, sorry. You have to save. You can either save it as a prefab or reset it to start over. But then just reopen the window if you want to do a female character. So remove that one. Load in the female prefab. Change the drop down to female. Female body. Head. Eye. Cloth. The females, because their brows are not a separate mesh, they're just a different texture. Same here. You select. It takes a list of this facial for female. Oops. Facial. You can see it adds it. But same deal. I mean, you can add all the pieces, you know, in the right slots here. Chest. So that has, oh, wrong one. That's the male one. Female. See, it all adds. Same deal. Same disables down here. Same with weapons. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.